phonics class. In the previous video, we have learned 3-letter CVC words along with ib family. Today, I am going to teach you 3-letter CVC words along with it family. Children, if you are new to my channel, please refer my previous videos for better understanding. Children, we all know about CVC, consonant, vowel, consonant. We have to always remember that blending the letter sounds together is first step in reading. Okay. Children, are you ready to blend some sounds together to make new words? Yes, very good. Now, let's begin. Letter I. I makes the sound I. Letter T. T makes the sound T. I and T together makes the sound it. It. T. It. Children, now we are going to learn words with it sound. B. It. Bit. B. It. Bit. F. It. Fit. F. It. Fit. H. It. Hit. H. It. Hit. K. It. Kit. K. It. Kit. S. It. Sit. S. It. Sit. Children, now we are going to practice some more words. The most effective way of learning phonics is to practice. Lit. Pit. Wit. Zit. Now, let's have a quick review. You all can read with me. Bit. Fit. Hit. Kit. Lit. Pit. Sit. Wit. Zit. Children, make a habit of reading these words every day. It's helpful to read. I hope you all had fun reading with me. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe my channel. Don't forget to click bell icon to get new video alerts. Thank you so much for watching.